Hi guys, welcome back to the Digital Marketing Software channel. In today's video, I will guide you in detail how to be seeding, increase interaction for the posts on the Instagram platform. This is the main interface of the software. The software will support you as unlimited Instagram account management. It has a lot of functions that support you to deploy your account and deploy ads on the platform. Today, I will guide you in detail that is the seeding feature. Before seeding, you need to add the content that you will go seeding. Seeding here is that I will comment, like the articles can be the articles on the personal page, or the posts above on the customer's accounts. Here you will start setting up the content. I will choose the content I just added. Below, you have a lot of options. The ID seeding by account, seeding by keyword, seeding by follows the follower. For example, you will have a list of usernames. That's the data that I scanned from the software's data scanning feature. Next, you will set up your own options depending on the needs of each person. For example, how many seeding accounts are there per account? Like the post, or how many posts will I comment on per comment? In the end, you will choose Give me the accounts and you click the Start button. Then you will wait for a moment. The software will run and the mechanism of the software will be the hidden mechanism. When the software is finished, the software will automatically stop and I will check for you the results. I will go directly to the posts that I will check the comment sections like. See if the software is working or not. When I finished running for a while, I will check that you can see this. I will go to any article. You see a lot of the comments I just added. This time is only a few minutes. I will be posting a lot of posts on that account. Then with this tool you can increase the interaction for your account. Or you can advertise directly on the accounts of those customers. That's the effective part that MKT Insta software will give you. If you are interested in the software, please contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp to below the description. Thank you and see you in the next video.